have a magnetized spark plug socket, I'm telling you, you don't know what you're missing out on. I definitely recommend anyone who does spark plugs grab those magnetized sockets, because you don't have to fight with, you know, trying to get the spark plug out. It just comes out automatically. Same thing with going back in. It's less of a hassle. And you know, modern day cars mostly have the long spark plug ports or whatnot. And you always want to be sure that you don't strip your socks, your spark plug holes. So if you feel anything that doesn't feel right from the beginning, you definitely don't want to keep forcing it in. Because once you strip those spark plug holes, you have a major problem. Major problem. And as you see, we're on the way back in. And another thing I wanted to mention, the newer cars, there's really no way to mess up on putting the wrong coil and boot in the wrong area. As with cars earlier than the late 90s, definitely the 80s and 70s, 60s, there you had to know how to wire them. Another thing with these, when they have the bolts that hold down the coils, you definitely don't want to forget to put those in. That's something you don't want to forget to put in. You should be able to do these by hand. You got a 20-minute job if you know exactly what you're doing, but it's pretty simple. This is a 2016 Chevy Malibu, 2.5 liter LT. Yeah, 20 minutes it took us to knock this out. And I'm doing it right in the AutoZone parking lot. Oh, that's really cool. I already promised them that I wouldn't leave a mess. So I think that really does make a big difference. But yeah, like our page, What's Hot ATL, as we'll be bringing you many different do-it-yourself videos and things that interest the public. If you have videos that you would like for us to market or network or post for you, please feel free to message us inbox us at Facebook at What's Hot ATL. Yeah.